Follow the oil instructions that you get with your new compressor. And the technician who put this on, unfortunately, he walked away with the sheet. It's in his vehicle. He's coming back right now, and we're going to follow the oil fill procedures. And I need to know how much oil came in this compressor. Replace the receiver dryer. And here is the receiver dryer.
My homework last night, and check a magnetic touch insulation.
No oil. Okay.
Replacement compressor. Remove the excess oil. A compressor to be replaced. B. See, it says, tells you to.
So where's the old compressor?
In the back of my car.
Okay.
Cool. I brought it with me. I didn't throw it away yet.
But how much oil is in here?
Nothing.
Okay, that's good. All right, nothing is.
I don't know. That's why I was supposed to read this last night, and I didn't put it.
Because otherwise, we don't know if we have to take this off or not and measure. Because if this is full of oil, we don't know. If this is empty, we don't know.
I know. Well, I'm supposed to fucking. You're the pro. You're supposed to know this.
Every vehicle is different.
Alright, okay. Well, that's why we always use the same. Okay, always wear compressor removal procedure. Disconnect disconnect a compressor lead from the vehicle harness. Certified recovery machine. Reclaim the old refrigerant. Disconnect the suction discard hose. And quickly cap the hose ends to reduce the amount of moisture entering the AC. Then remove the compressor drive valve. Compressor contains a charge or lube. However, you must compare the level of compressor lubricant between the new compressor and the compressor being replaced. Okay. Place the compressor on a flat surface with the service valve in an upright position. And turn the clutch press plate minimum 10 times. Release lubricant from the compressor head. Install the compressor to the engine or engine bracket. Tighten and torque the bolts. It doesn't say anything about.
So basically what they're saying, the new compressor you have to pour the oil out of and measure. The old compressor you have to pour the oil out and measure. Because sometimes they source these from different manufacturers. Even though it's one manufacturer, they might source it or change mid-production line. Say they put all 7 or 10 ounces of oil in this compressor that was good enough for a whole system. Then another manufacturer's production line might only put enough oil that belonged in the compressor, say 2 ounces, for example. And then another compressor manufacturer might just ship them dry with nothing in it.
Right.
And so then you would never know how much oil to add. And that's why, what is that? RTFM. And we got the oil that needs to be replaced because we got a brand new accumulator over there, and that's roughly, I know off the top of my head, that's roughly 3 ounces of oil right there. But this one actually was dry because the system ran dry, so I know that wasn't filled with oil.
So why does it show? So where's the plug that fucking fill it up? On the side?
Not all of them have plugs. This one they're actually showing
on the side,
pouring it upside down through the holes that's coming out of the drain from the back here. And they only use a compressor as a reference. They don't always use the picture of the compressor.
Well, that's really stupid.